Currently, plastics follow a linear economy and are disposed of after a single use. Most of this waste ends up in landfill, some is burnt for energy, and a small portion of these plastics can be mechanically recycled to lower quality materials. The future of plastics lies with creating a circular economy by upcycling plastics to higher quality materials or chemically recycling plastics back to their original condition. To do this, waste commercial plastics have to be depolymerized. This is achieved by breaking down the individual polymer chains that make up a plastic. Using a complex catalytic system, the polymer chains can be broken down to building blocks where the colorants and additives of commercial plastics can be removed. The resulting compounds can be upcycled or repolymerized back to the original plastic. PET is a commercial packing plastic most commonly used for plastic drinks bottles. Our group has designed a catalytic system that enables depolymerisation of this plastic in under 30 minutes. We have also found depolymerisation conditions that enable the upcycling of PET to a 3D printing resin. With the addition of a diluent and a photoinitiator, depolymerized PET building blocks can be formulated into a UV curable resin. Resin-based 3D printing works through a liquid to solid UV curing process. A part is made by consecutive layer by layer curing from the resin vat until the part is completed and then can be removed from the printer.
However, translation of upcycling and chemical recycling to household plastics is a challenge. Commercial plastic waste is comprised of a lot of different plastics. Mixed plastic waste is often shipped to developing countries to sort and separate plastic based on value, with most ending in landfill. One solution to this issue lies with selective plastic depolymerisation. We have been working to understand how different plastics break down and designing a system to selectively depolymerize one plastic over another. This allows each product to be removed from the other waste, to then be converted into new plastic or upcycled to a higher value material. We have begun working on this system and can selectively depolymerize polycarbonate and PET. Catalysis is used to lower the energy required to break down polycarbonate over PET. Finally, this allows the separation of PET from polycarbonate units. But we still have a long way to go. Thanks for watching.